Hey YouTube, 06 BMW X3, which is E83 M54 engine. We got a coolant leak and we will be troubleshooting that problem right now. What I got here is a coolant system pressure kit from AutoZone, which is a loaner kit. It's about $250 to rent it out. They will refund your money when you bring it back. The model number for this is 940427. And it's a 22-piece kit. Looking inside, you see all these adapters with a hand pump and a gauge. There's also a manual. If you go all the way back to the back of the manual, you will see that the BMW uses a number 4 adapter or a number 5 adapter. I know that there's going to be a number 5. When you look under the hood on the driver's side, you will see this expansion tank, and you got to remove the cap from the top of it. Instead of the cap, you're going to use your number 5 adapter and screw that right on top of instead of your original cap. When it's nice and snug, you're going to take your hand pump, and it's got a quick quick connect fitting, and you're just going to do that. So right now you got to hand pump it to about no more than 20 psi, but I'm going to start with I want to say about 10. We have about 10 psi and we already got the leak. Looks like my expansion tank is busted. So to remove that, you're gonna release the pressure with this manual valve. Then disconnect it. And then remove the adapter. If you would like to see a repair video of this problem, please let me know in the comments below, and I will show you a step-by-step how to replace this expansion tank on this E83 BMW.